What I'm seeing is an interaction between the private sector, the public sector, central government, local government, and they're looking at how drones can improve our daily life and how we need to regulate them so that the system can all work for the benefit of the public.
You need the people who develop drone platforms and develop the sensor technologies, develop the services that come with drones.
You help organisations develop their procedures, their processes, ensure they're fully compliant, help them with risk assessments and other things that they need to do to create their own drone operation.
Our main role is to train any drone pilots or remote pilots that are out there under the new European Union regulatory training syllabus to get their remote pilot certificates in the open category and in the specific category.
We currently use drones to produce fully scalable 3D models, which are then used to input into flood defence models to do volumetric calculations for demolition quantities and quantity surveyors.
We hope to use our drones for extra work such as monitoring bridges and structures and things like that. Also for using LiDAR as a sensor on our drone, heat sensors, and also the extra use of higher resolution cameras to produce better imagery.
We know drones are useful at large-scale industrial incidents and on wildfires, but there's probably a use for them as well at smaller incidents where the incident commander could benefit from having a 360-degree view of what is going on.
We map, monitor and collect geospatial information on roads, rail, power lines, gas pipelines, so national infrastructures. So like a power line, for example, normally they're inspected by boots on the ground or persons climbing them, so they're really dangerous, high-risk assets, whereas if we bring in drones from a remote location, there's no humans, so the risk is reduced, the cost is reduced, just a much more efficient way of collecting important information.
Last year we were tracking endangered species in Galway and in Leitrim, and we can see 300 square kilometres from a fixed position. So we'd hopefully be applying that to, say, traffic management with the entire M50 in one go.
We manufacture specific category drones, so they are larger drones. Our use of drones is usually for naval applications, for cargo deliveries, for pipeline, power line inspections.
People have some expectations in relation to drones. From our public national survey, they expect to have some drones delivery to deliver groceries, online shopping, or even like their mail.
We need the right regulations, and we need the public and we need local authorities to work together to prioritise those services which make most sense and do the best public good. And I think in Ireland, this is probably one of the best places in the world to get that rolling effect.